Hello, aspiring students and parents. The dream of pursuing higher education in the USA is often coupled with the challenge of funding. While need based aid is crucial, many exceptionally talented international students still wonder, are these scholarships that recognize my academic brilliance, my leadership, or my unique talents regardless of my family's income? The answer is a surrounding yes. Many top universities in the USA actively seek out and reward outstanding international students with merit based scholarships. So, today we are going to highlight top universities in the USA offering merit based scholarships to international students. So, in today's video, you'll learn what merit based scholarships truly mean and what criteria universities look for, a curated list of universities known for offering significant merit aid to international students at both undergraduate and graduate levels, key details about some specific scholarship programs at these institutions, and crucial strategies to build a competitive application that truly showcases your excellence. So, this is your guide to finding universities that reward your hard work and achievements. Now, merit based scholarships they are awarded solely on your strengths and achievements, recognizing your potential to contribute significantly to the university community. For international students, these are particularly valuable as need based aid can be limited at some institutions. So universities look for exceptional academic performance, okay, like high GPA, strong standardized test scores, okay, leadership and extracurriculars. So demonstrated impact in school, clubs, sports, community service, or unique projects. Specific talents like excellence in arts, music, athletics, or unique academic fields. Compelling personal qualities like strong essays, intellectual curiosity, and a demonstrated fit with the university's values. Unlike need-based aid, that is your family's income, isn't the primary factor. While many Ivy League and top-tier private universities are primarily need-based for internationals, a significant number of excellent institutions offer generate merit scholarships. Here's a look at some of them. Duke University. The overview is that it offers several highly competitive merit-based scholarships, including the prestigious Robertson Scholars Leadership Program, which is a full-ride scholarship in partnership with UNC Chapel Hill, and the Kirsch International Scholars Program. The coverage is that it can range from full tuition to full cost of attendance, often with enrichment funds. The focus is on leadership, intellectual curiosity, character, and service. Then we have Vanderbilt University, that is Nashville, Tennessee. The overview is that it's known for substantial merit scholarships like Ingram Scholarship Program, full tuition plus stipends for summer service projects, and the Cornelius Vanderbilt Scholarship, that is full tuition plus a summer experience stipend. The focus is on academic achievement, leadership, commitment to community service, and intellectual promise. Then after that, we have University of Southern California, USC, which is in Los Angeles and Los Angeles, California. The overview is that USC offers several competitive merit scholarships for international students, including the Trustee Scholarship, which is the full tuition, and the Presidential Scholarship, which is the half tuition. The focus is on outstanding academic achievement, leadership, and diverse talents. Then we have Washington University in St. Louis, which is WashU, St. Louis, Missouri. The overview is that WashU provides various merit scholarships such as the Danforth Scholars Program, which can be, you can say, which is full or partial tuition based on academic excellence and commitment to community. The focus is on academic achievement, leadership, community service, and also promoting diverse perspectives. Then we have Emory University, Atlanta, Georgia. The overview is that it offers merit scholarships through its Emory Scholars Program, often full tuition plus enrichment stipends. Focus is on exceptional academic talent, intellectual curiosity, and leadership potential. Then we have Boston University. So the overview is that this university offers several merit scholarships, including the Trustee Scholarship and also the Presidential Scholarship for international students, demonstrating exceptional academic and leadership qualities. So it focuses on international rigor and engagement. Then we have University of Miami, that is in Florida. So this university provides a range of premier scholarships, including the Stamp Scholarship, which is full cost of attendance plus enrichment funds, and President's Scholarship, which is full tuition, and they are open to international students. So the focus is on academic achievement, leadership, and a commitment to service. Then Then we have Case Western Reserve University. So this actually automatically considers international applicants for merit scholarships based on their admission application. These can be substantial, including special scholarships, both full and partial tuition waivers. It focuses on strong academic profile and intellectual promise. Then we have Clark University, which offers the Clark Global Scholarship Program, about $15,000 to $25,000 per year to international first-year applicants who have demonstrated leadership and community service. The focus is on academic excellence, leadership, and commitment to global citizenship. Then we have Beria College. So Beria College is unique, 100% funding for all students, including internationals in their first year, covering tuition, housing, and food. While primarily need-based, admission is highly competitive based on academic ability, making it merit competitive. The focus is on supporting financially challenged students with strong academic promise. For graduate students, merit-based scholarships often come in the form of fellowships, teaching assistantships, and research assistantships, which are quite common at the top research universities like Harvard, MIT, Caltech, and the University of Chicago, particularly in STEM fields. So these often include full tuition waivers and stipends. So to stand out and secure these competitive merit scholarships, your application must shine. Exceptional academic profile. So you need to maintain a consistently high GPA or equivalent percentage, excel in rigorous coursework, AB or IB, AP or IB, and achieve outstanding scores on standardized tests like SAT, ECT, GRE, or GMAT. You have to build a holistic profile. So for that, you need to go beyond grades, showcase leadership roles, meaningful extracurricular achievements, impactful volunteer work, unique projects, and any relevant work experience. So these demonstrate initiative, passion, and impact. Then you need to craft compelling essays or SOPs. So your essays or statement of purpose are your voice. Tell your unique story, articulate your motivations, explain your aspirations, and clearly connect your experiences to the scholarship's mission. So be authentic and specific at the same time. Secure strong specific letters of recommendation, LORs. So choose recommenders like teachers, professors, mentors who know you exceptionally well and can write detailed, enthusiastic letters highlighting your abilities, potential, and also character. Showcase unique talents if applicable. So, if you have exceptional talents in sports, arts, or a specific academic niche, ensure that these are well documented, like portfolio, audition, awards. Prepare for interviews. If interviews are a part of the selection process, practice articulating your thoughts clearly, confidently, and passionately. Apply early and thoroughly. Many merit scholarships have early deadlines, and thoroughness in completing every part of the application is crucial. Pursuing higher education in USA is an ambitious dream, and the financial aspect can be daunting. However, for exceptionally talented international students, merit-based scholarships, they offer a powerful pathway to making that dream a reality. So by building an outstanding academic and personal profile, meticulously preparing your application, and strategically targeting universities that reward excellence, your hard work can indeed pave the way to a world-class education. To achieve the academic excellence and also build the strong profile required for these highly competitive merit-based scholarships, Wisdomy's personalized online tutoring can provide the expert guidance that you need. We help you master challenging concepts, improve your grades, and prepare for standardized tests, boosting your application's appeal. So book your free trial class today at wisdomy.com and don't let anything hold you back from your global education aspirations.